In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the journey of designing best-selling products on Etsy. Whether you're a seasoned seller or a newcomer eager to make your mark, understanding what to sell and how to design your products is crucial for success. So let's dive right in and take a step-by-step approach that will guide you through the essentials. The first step is to visit the Designing Best-Selling Etsy Products page. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of information that sets the foundation for your journey. This is where you'll begin to gather insights that will help shape the rest of your steps. Once you land on the Designing Best-Selling Etsy Products section, your next move is to click on How to Find and Design Best-Selling Etsy Products. Think of this as your roadmap. It's like having a compass that points you in the right direction, helping you to understand what works and what doesn't in the Etsy marketplace. This section is full of valuable insights, so take your time to absorb as much as you can. With a clear understanding of the basics, it's time to move on to step 1. Research what's selling on Etsy. This is a crucial part of the process where you'll roll up your sleeves and dig into the current trends. Pay attention to what's gaining traction and what catches the eye of browsers. This knowledge will arm you with the ability to make informed decisions about the products you want to focus on. After you've gathered information on existing trends, click on Step 2, Identify Profitable Niches. At this juncture, you begin zeroing in on niche areas that show potential for profitability but are perhaps less saturated. Here, creativity meets opportunity. Think about how you can tap into these niches with unique offerings, remembering that less competition often means greater opportunities for standout products and increased sales. Equipped with insights and niche ideas, Step 3 involves designing the products you intend to sell. Click on this link to dive into creating compelling, on-trend designs. This involves consideration of aesthetics, functionality, and what makes your product special. Remember, your design is one of the key differentiators in capturing the interest of potential buyers. Finally, seal your preparation process by clicking on Step 5, Optimize for Etsy SEO. Optimization is pivotal in ensuring your products gain visibility. Understanding how Etsy's search algorithms work will give you an edge in getting your products noticed. Focus on keyword placement, product descriptions, and titles that resonate with both the search algorithms and your target audience. And there you have it. By methodically following these steps, you'll enhance your ability to create and sell best-selling products on Etsy. Each step offers a layer of strategy and insight that, when combined, can significantly boost your store's visibility and success. So go ahead, embrace the process, and watch as your Etsy shop transforms into a thriving marketplace.